In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an esquite, which is a street corn Mexican salad, you guys. So I'm going to show you how to do a deconstructed Mexican corn. Alright, you guys, welcome back. I'm going to do a real simple and easy street corn. Alright, you guys, today we're going to be making esquites. That's another form of street corn without the whole corn on the cob. It's actually just the kernels of it. So what you want to do is, I already have warmed it up on the oven, on the stove and everything like that. So we're just going to assemble everything. If you see my street corn video, and all the description in the description are all the ingredients of how to make this Mexican mayo. So I'm about to just assemble everything right now. It's gonna be really quick and easy, very simple. So let's start with the corn. Then we're gonna put it in a bowl, and that's actually gonna have all the ingredients with the mayo. So we're gonna mix everything in, stir it all together. Yes, you do it when it's warm. And like I said, you can take the kernels off your corn and do the same exact way, or you can get a can. It just depends on, how you like it. But to me, it's all the same. Just don't get no cream of corn, just to let you know, because you're already making cream of corn. All right, you guys. So next, all you want to do is, get your bowl. Normally in Mexico, they would actually put them in cups. Really reasonable in price. Just put it all in a bowl. Like I said, this is a really, really, simple recipe to make. You guys, doesn't take that long. See how quick it was? Not much cooking other than just warming up and mixing in your mayo. So first things first is, you gotta add in your cheese, guys. Sprinkle on the top. You can't do this without the cheese. So add it in. Now, if you see my video, I added the tahini on it, but you don't. In this one, we're not gonna do that. We're just gonna add the chili, the chipotle chili on it. So just spread it around. So I just got too much in one little area, but it's okay. It's gonna go all down the same spot. And last but not least, like I said, still didn't have fresh cilantro. So, you can get cilantro for color. Just some regular one. And just sprinkle it on, guys. And that's all it is. How easy is that? Very simple and easy, quick. You don't have to do too much. And like I said, less of a mess. All right, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Very simple and easy. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for stopping by my classroom. See you later.